think the best way to start out is to get a good quality set like this one in Cato. This set has everything you need: a train, the track, and a transformer, and it's very easy to assemble. This set is also easy, fun, and educational. Let's open it up and take a look. This is what we have in the box: the power pack, the power supply, the track, the wheel roller, the power cable, and the train, and let's take it out. This is how easy it is to put the track together. I'm going to plug the power feeder back into the back of the power pack. Now we're going to plug the power supply into the back of the power pack. Now we're going to run trains. Here we go. That's how easy it is to enjoy N-scale model railroading. There you have it. Now you can see how easy, fun, and educational it can be. This is Gavin. I hope you liked this video. Come back to see more videos.